We're just beginning to understand how the brain operates. It's a leap to go from understanding to treatment. The biggest implication is that we start to get treatment. I hope that this is a leap we're going to make within my career. We all have the same DNA, but every cell type in our body is different. Different cells switch on different genes. This is really like an orchestra. Different instruments have different parts to play. Together, they're all needed to make the final sound of the orchestra. When you look at the brain of somebody with Alzheimer's disease, you see two types of pathology. What are called plaques. These are about 1/10 of a millimeter globs in the brain, and we know now that they're made of the amyloid protein. Inside cells, you see a structure called a tangle. This is made of a protein called tau. There's three features really. There's the amyloid, the tangles, and the cell loss. Scientists struggled with understanding what the relationship was, which of them came first and caused the others. What we found was a mutation in the amyloid gene. The amyloid that brain makes is less soluble, and that build-up starts to aggravate, then eventually kill nerve cells, and of course that leads to dementia. That's the amyloid cascade hypothesis. It just puts the amyloid protein right at the center of the disease start. Genetic research really depends on families. Families coming forward and volunteering, facing their diseases. These are the hidden heroes, really, of this type of research. We are really making the first steps in understanding the brain process. It's a great time for brain science. It's a great time.
Discovering genetic mutations that cause early onset Alzheimer's disease, linking accumulation of beta amyloid to the progression of disease, and suggesting new approaches to prevention, treatment.
The Breakthrough Prize is awarded to John Hardy.